And before that wolf eats my grandma, give that wolf a banana, give that wolf.
Hello you guys, so welcome back to my channel, and if you are the newcomer, thank you guys for choosing this video. And today I'm gonna react to the chosen one from Norway. The song is Give That Wolf a Banana by Subwoolfer. What is a banana meaning in this video, in this songs? I don't know, but give that wolf a banana, and then it's gonna be like a cock. Well, this is English, but I thought it was another language. I'm sorry. Let's begin again. How they could sing it? So they're wearing a microphone in here, okay? But I like this suit. Also, this is kind of gonna be like iconic. Kids. This is the starting of What Does the Fox Say? But what the fuck? If you don't like Key, I call you Jim. It's funny. What the hell? I'm starting to love it. I'm starting to like it a lot. What the hell is that big? Huh. What is her name, by the way? The girl with the red hoodie. Not a hoodie. It's who is she? The girl who I know in Vietnamese, but I don't know how to describe it in English. The girl wear red carpet, something. This song is about us, right? But then, what the hell? Oh, actually, the backup dancer wearing look like a banana. This song is so fun. Yum. Huh? Nah. Yo, this is sounding like a spirit in the sky. It's funny. It sounds so fun. It sounds so weird and funny, but the beat and everything of it is turned to be really iconic. The lyric, but I love it. It's my grandma's wolf a banana. Someone give the wolf a banana, yum, and I want to see their face. I mean, they wear suits and they look really nice. Yeah, every man would wear a suit. It's always perfect.
That hairy coat of yours with nothing underneath. Not sure you have a name, so I will call you Keith.
So Key and Jim, are they their name or something? I don't know, but sing about joy my love after they but because I say that what did the fox say? Okay, this no, I don't think that it's gonna be like what did the fox say, because what did the fox say was so much weird, and also they yum. Wait, basically I listen to it, I understand, but it's always talking about give that fool a banana. Eurovision. Oh, the member with ski and gym. I wonder how their face look like because right now they look like oh, what is song again? Up on the together, up on the together lucky. Daft Punk, yeah, Daft Punk. So how they looking? How they face? Give me your face. Give me your face. I don't know who are you. And basically this is the Subwoolfer something. Oh, I don't know. Oh, this is their face, right? Huh, they look really funny. This is them, right? They look like a comedic actor, but this is so funny. Yum yum. Yum yum. What? What is this song?
Uganda, Congo, and the Oslo Treaty Plan. But when hand grenades down, the United Nations superhero man.
Ignore it again. This is fun, but I don't think this is them, but this is fun. I'm gonna listen to this song again, like right after this video, but this song is so fun. I love it. I'm not gonna lie, this is bringing a joyful and funny moments to the stage, and give that wolf a banana. Let me try to think about it like the wolf. Remind me of the movie Wolf in the somewhere. I forgot. Wolf. Something. Wolf. Okay, I forgot his name. Titanic. Titanic. What is his name, by the way? I forgot. Seriously, he was the main character. You didn't let him be on here. Oh, Leonardo DiCaprio. I'm sorry, Leo. I forgot your name. He has a movie about the wolf in Wolf of Wall Street, and this is really remind me of like giving the wolf money or something, and the grandma was like the guilty person or something. I forgot. I don't know how to describe it, but a banana is sounding like it's gonna be money or gold, or being like a penis. Give that wolf a penis. No, it's not that sex. Yeah, but grandma, the old people, and wolf is based on bad people. Just like grandma is not gonna be like the witch person in the earth, and wolf is like the hunting person in the world, and banana is the treasure or the gift or something that they're gonna have it. As I think. I don't think it's that many because they call it gym and kids or something. This is kind of really a simple song that it sounds very truly inspiring words. Okay, so it didn't have the something shadow meaning of it, but I love the song. This is so fun. I love their suits. I'm gonna love it if they're wearing off-fox shoes, but this is pretty easy to dancing, so they like that. I don't know, I don't care. And their hat, their mask, something look really funny. I love it. I really love it. So I don't know what to say. Good luck to you guys in Norway with Give That Wolf a Banana from Subwoolfer. Right? Good luck to you guys. Hope you guys gonna really have a really high place with this song. It's sounding so amazing. And I don't know what to say, but that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys can have a good day and a funny day maybe after watching this. And remember to leave a comment and subscribe if you actually really want to see more of my new video. And peace for all of us. Truly, peace. As you can see, the war happened between Ukraine and Russia. And now Belarus was one of the bridge. Poor Belarus. I don't know what to say, but I hope everything gonna be peaceful. I don't know. I don't want any war happen. So let's just pray that nothing gonna happen. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna be fine, and there will be a lovely planet. Like this song, Give That Wolf a Banana. Just have fun. So yeah.